Hi friends, today we are going to see a lunchbox recipe, lemon rice. Add oil and then half spoon of mustard seeds. Once they have split, add in the urad dal. I'm adding black urad dal. Split, you can even add white. Now add the chana dal and then add 4 to 5 green chilies or dry chilies. I'm adding green chilies. Then add half spoon of jeera. This is also optional. And then you can add the curry leaves. Now add 1 spoon of turmeric powder and saute it well, mix it well. Then switch off the stove and add lemon juice. Add 1 spoon of salt. Add the boiled rice and mix it well. Mix properly so that the lemon juice gets spread all over the rice properly and evenly. This is one of the quick lunchbox recipes and kids love this lemon rice along with potato fry, potato chops and potato fingers, and you can even serve it with fish fry or chicken fry. It would taste better. Now today we are serving this lemon rice along with mango pickle, homemade mango pickle. Try this, serve this, enjoy your day. Thank you.